सो आज लोग हम करने जा ऑफ Hey guys, it's Priyam Devra and welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing flea market winter haul. बहुत गंदा था ये, but it's okay. हाँ, so आज हम लोग करने जा रहे हैं फ्ली मार्केट विंटर हॉल. फॉर दोज ऑफ यू डोंट नो, फ्ली मार्केट जो बहुत सस्ते मार्केट्स होते हैं लाइक सरोजनी एंड राजवाड़ा, उनको फ्ली मार्केट बोला जाता है. नाउ मेरा बहुत टाइम से मन था कि मैं एक फ्ली मार्केट विंटर हॉल करूं. एक्चुअली जो फ्ली मार्केट्स होते हैं वहाँ पे जो ट्रेंडी कपड़े होते हैं उनको ढूंढना बहुत टफ होता है. आई गेस जो आप दिमाग में लेके जा रहे हो एग्जैक्टली आपको कभी कभी नहीं मिलता. बट जो विंटर कलेक्शन होता है वहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा होता है. सरोजनी का स्पेशली बहुत फेमस है विंटर कलेक्शन. सो आई वांटेड टू डू वन फॉर इंदौर एज ऑफ राजवाड़ा. सो इफ़ एनी ऑफ यू विजिट इंदौर एंड वांट टू गेट अ आइडिया कि क्वालिटी कैसी होगी, मटेरियल कैसा है एंड प्राइस पॉइंट क्या है, सो you can visit Kothari market, Cloth market, Rajwada, any of these. So yep, that's the idea behind making this video. So without any blabbering, let's get started with the video. Okay, the first item we have with us is this really pretty shrug. It's a basic shrug, okay, but नवंबर की ठंड में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. So it retailed me for 100 rupees. Talking about the material, it's a sheer material but it's warm at the same time. As I said कि नवंबर की ठंड जो बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं होती but still you need a cover up. So it's a really good shrug. It's in the navy blue color, exactly as it is showing on the camera. And talking about the quality, I guess for 100 rupees I didn't expect it any more. इस पर ज़ारा के टैग लगे थे but I'm sure ये ज़ारा का नहीं है. Maybe it's a second copy or something, but the quality for 100 rupees it's good. The next item we have with us is this really cool toned yellow color. This retailed me for 100 rupees and it is also very sheer material and it's so warm, so I bought it. It's 3/4 sleeve. And talking about the quality, for 100 rupees I actually didn't expect it so much. I really like the color. I never had something of this color and I really wanted to experiment with colors. मम्मी चिल्ला चिल्ला के थक गई है कि ब्लैक और वाइट के अलावा कुछ पहनो. सो फाइनली यस मॉम, दिस फॉर यू कि मैंने कुछ ले लिया ब्राइट कलर में. Next item we have with us is this grey full sleeved t-shirt. It's a v-neck t-shirt in the perfect depth. I thought कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा डीप हो जाएगा. मैंने लास्ट ईयर एक 150 रुपीज़ का डीप नेक वी लिया था. आई थॉट कि मेरे पास वी शेप में कुछ नहीं है सो मैं ले लेती हूँ, बट वो इतना ज़्यादा डीप था दैट आई कुडंट वेयर इट और वो रखा है ना. सो मैंने इसे इसलिए लिया था क्योंकि ये 50 रुपीज़ के जो स्टॉल्स होते हैं उसमें था एंड आई थॉट ठीक है घर में पहनने में काम आ जाएगा ठंड में. बट व्हेन आई वॉर इट, यू विल सी द ट्राई ऑन, बट व्हेन आई वॉर इट, इट जस्ट रिटेल मी फॉर 50 रुपीज़ एंड द मटेरियल इज़ क्वाइट you know what can I say, guff. Yeah, it's very guff and it's better than these. Okay, you can see the quality. It's not sheer also, so yeah, for 50 rupees I love it. And the next 50 rupees item we have with us is this very beautiful bodycon full sleeved top. ये I tell you the story, ये हम लोग जा रहे थे और वो भैया एक्चुअली 150 के दो टॉप या फिर जो भी क्लोथिंग आइटम आपको चाहिए होते हैं वो बेचते हैं. तो आई सॉ दिस उनके अपर वाले स्टॉल में और मैंने बोले कितने में दोगे आप. सो ही टोल्ड मी कि ओके 70 में ले जाओ. मैं नहीं, मैं नहीं ले रही हूँ. तो ही वॉज लाइक चलो 50 में ले जाओ. मैंने ठीक है, घर में पहनने के लिए काम आएगा. बट इस पूरे हॉल में से दिस इज द ओनली थिंग विच सूटेड मी सो वेल. आई वॉज लुकिंग सो प्रिटी इन दिस एंड द क्वालिटी, it's a little sheer, it's not so much sheer, but it's in the rib material. You can see the ribbed material here and it's so warm, so I don't think that I need to wear anything inside this. It's quite bodycon and it's warm also. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me. Now the next fur item in my language we have with us is this white cropped sweater or something, what can I say. So I bought it at rupees 150 I guess, and it's the basic guff kuchu material. Yeah, so it's the basic soft material, the fur material what we have. I bought it at 150 rupees and it's so soft on the skin. It's also so warm, but I'm not sure when I'm gonna wear it because it's cropped and I loved white so much. I mean, this particular white is so beautiful, so I bought it without thinking anything. Fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you next item, the furfur wala item we have with us is this lavender, blue toned lavender, I would say. This is the blue toned v-neck lavender top slash sweater we have. It is also of this soft material, but it's not that soft. Like the fur of this one is really soft, it's different, and this one is different. This retailed us for 200 rupees, and for the color and the quality we liked it, so yeah, we bought it. And you can see it is not sheer and it's warm. So yeah, this is the next item. The next item we have with us is my favorite. Okay, this is the black bodycon v-neck top slash t-shirt slash sweater, whatever you call it, but it's in the ribbed material. Okay, and it retailed me for 200 rupees. This is the basic bodycon ribbed material, and it retailed me for 200 or 250 rupees. And for this, the way it looks on my body, it's so bodycon and so beautiful, so I don't mind paying 200 rupees for this one. And the quality, I would say, it's nice, but at the same time, if you travel a lot, like if it's a full day work, so there will be some chunks of dust which will stick here. So yeah, you have to keep that in mind before buying anything ribbed. So still, I love it. It's so nice and it's so perfect on my body, and I don't go out so much, so it's perfect for me.
Turn it to an ocean, let me float around. Eyes closed, like what you...
Also, the top which I am wearing right now, it's also bodycon. It's in the ribbed material. I bought this one also from Rajwada at rupees 200, and I don't think it's a sweater or can be worn in the winter because it's very sheer. It's sheer than this one. So I just wanted to show you. The next item, which is the favorite of all my collection, is this one. This retailed me for 150 rupees. Can you say? This retailed me for 150 rupees, and oh my god, the quality, the sleeves, there's a detailing on the sleeves and at the end of the sleeves, and this retailed me for 150 rupees, and it looks so perfect. It's so warm, and the quality, you can see it's not that sheer. White is generally so sheer, even in the sweaters, but it's not sheer and it's so warm. So yeah, 150 rupees was a steal deal for me, so I bought it.
I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with...
Now the next and the last sweater we have with us is this cable net wala sweater. This is the cable net looks like. I only bought this because this was for 200 or 250 rupees, and I know cable net actually are so warm. The material, the cable net material are so warm. So yeah, I bought it for 250 rupees. The material is so soft and guff and heavy, and yeah, this is the sweater, and it really looks so pretty on wearing. Like if I'm pairing with mom jeans or anything, it just looks so nice, and the quality is really good. That's it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like it. If you have a visit to Indore, please let me know. I would love to host you guys, because these collection are the particular shops, because Rajwada is so huge, you can't find everything at one shop. Okay, so if I give you the direction, there is no number, there is no shop number like Sarojini, but when you go at the end of Chor Bazaar, या द मेन बाज़ार ऑफ राजवाड़ा इज कॉल्ड चोर बाज़ार. तो जब आप एंड पे जाते हो चोर बाज़ार के, तो दे आर 2 वेज, राइट एंड लेफ्ट. तो जो राइट वाली वे आएगी, वहाँ पर एक शॉप आती है ऐसे सारे स्वेटर्स की. वहाँ पे ऐसे ही सॉफ्ट मटेरियल्स के, और ये जो मैंने 50 रुपीज़ वाले बताए हैं, ये वाले सारे स्टॉल्स होते हैं. एंड एट द सेम टाइम जब आप लेफ़्ट में जाते हो, तो वो जो मैंने बताया 150 के 2 वाले जो भैया हैं, वो वहाँ पे खड़े होते हैं. और एक और शॉप है, वो कॉर्नर में, बिल्कुल एंड के कॉर्नर में है. उसके जस्ट पास में स्टिचिंग वाले आइटम के जो मटेरियल होते हैं, रॉ कपड़े जो होते हैं, वो मिलेंगे. बट वहाँ से मैंने ये 3 खरीदे थे, and they really had some great collection, so you can check them out. I don't have any suggestions, but अगर आप आते हो, so I'll host you. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye bye.